This is a Stuart HB4 boiler, and I've had to recently repair this because the sight glass was broken, and so were the fittings into the boiler. So I've got new fittings and they are okay. The safety valves working okay. And this particular setup has a reservoir and a pump for filling up the boiler again, and that is working on this half-beam Stuart engine on steam. It's working quite well now. Probably we could slow it down a little bit. See, it's working really quite well on steam. Hasn't been run on steam for quite a long while. I made this in 2015. I made a beam engine as well in 220, but I haven't run. I tried to get them running both together, but they didn't seem to want to. It should, this boiler should work them both, but anyway, for now it's just working one of them, and as you can see, it's going quite well.